In this video guide, we're going to see how we can improve, optimize our website in WordPress using plugins for optimization. So we're going to act on database, images, CSS, and JavaScript. So if you go in the website called SEObility, this is where you can run a quick analysis of your website. Now, well, depends on many factors, but it's going to give you like some hints of what you need to fix, what you need to adjust. And we already did another video dedicated entirely to SEObility. So in this video here, we're going to concentrate on plugin and a specific plugin called VP Optimize. So if you want to go, we're going to try to reduce here the CSS number of CSS files and JavaScript files. So we're going to try to optimize and solve these two issues right here. So I'm looking for CSS and JavaScript, SEO or optimization. You can type something like that or optimize. But essentially what I'm going to try here is to use WP Optimize or VP Optimize, WordPress Optimize. So let's install it and we're going to then activate it and see how we can use the search engine optimization tools. And also we will try to increase the speed and the overall performance of our website. So in the meanwhile that it installs, we can check here some information, some details. You can see that if you type CSS here, you will find information about CSS, and this will actually try to minify and combine CSS and JavaScript. So perhaps it will reduce the number of files or number of scripts and things like that. Okay, let's press activate and let's activate it. Now it's on. So if we go here, you can see that it's on, but we can then go into the settings and define one by one all the different parts of the optimization process. And this is not showing us any wizard, any welcome page, but that's fine because these are sometimes a little bit intrusive. So we just need to go there in the VP Optimize in the dashboard, and you can see the different panels. This one here is for database, and read everything. Make sure that you read everything, especially the warnings and everything before you actually run the selected optimization. In my case, I just run all the optimization and it went fine, but always make sure that you make a backup also of your database. And you have images, you have cache, you have minify. This is the main tool that we are looking for actually. And some more settings here that we want to check perhaps later. Now, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, minification is an advanced feature. So also here there is a warning, but we can try, we can make a test, and if we see that something goes wrong, we can always disable it. So this is just a turn on and off function. It's just a switch that we can use. And again, we can process HTML, process JavaScript, process CSS, K-scale, style sheet, and well, basically we can do that. And here we have some other settings, but this is for database again. So it just started all over with the database. Well, let's start to run some fixing and some adjusting here or there. So here I'm going to just run all the selected optimization, as I said, and then we can move forward. Let me close some of these windows here. Let's go to the images and cache. Yes, we can enable page caching. You can see here all the information. Purge cache, we don't need it, it's already purged. We don't have any cache size there. And we can also try to use all these settings here. Generate separate files for mobile device and save cached pages to logged in users. And here in the images, automatically compress newly added images. If you want to compress, if you want to prioritize the compression or the details. Well, in my case, I just want to speed up everything. So I'm going to use maximum compression, and perhaps also this one here will be good for image, well, things that are on the web. So create web version of image. And that's it. Now, database finished. It's just finished. So I can also check additional optimizations if I want. And well, actually we did everything. So let's go and analyze the situation. So before was 72. Let's see how is, well, now it's 73. Not bad, but well, essentially what we check here is that the CSS and JavaScript issues are gone. We still need to fix something else in this page, like description and also response time. Well, response time, you should give also a few minutes before you actually run a test. Now let's run it again and let's see if something is changing. Yeah, you can see it's increasing, and now the response time is pretty good. So sometimes just give it, a few minutes. Now we just need to add a meta description and some more content on the page, and that will be fine. So you can see here we optimize a little bit our page, but if you want to know more, you can check other videos about WordPress in our website, and also about web design, graphic design, 3D design. And please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support us, you can also join the channel as a supporter and check out other video courses and video guides. Leave comments, suggestions also for other users. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.